Hello everyone, my name is Shasmisree and welcome to my channel Shasmi's World. Today's video is about unboxing of this Boxy Luxe for the month of September. For those who don't know what Boxycharm is or what Boxy Luxe is, Boxycharm is a beauty subscription box. We get it each month and they charge you somewhere around $21 every month for the Boxycharm box. But quarterly once they send out big boxes, that is Boxy Luxe, and that costs around $50. For Canadian subscriber, we end up paying 35 Canadian dollar each month for the small boxes, and for Boxy Luxe we pay around somewhere between $78 to $80. If you want to get a Boxy Luxe box, you have to be a Boxycharm subscriber first. So for the month of September, the Boxy Luxe came like this. It's a huge box. Now let's get started with the unboxing. So I got the box number 5L. See, that's the number over here. So it has to be the box which I got. The first thing which I can see right inside the box is the Start Park Avenue Princess Chisel palette. Beautiful palette. It has beautiful highlighting shade, it has beautiful contouring and bronzer shade. So if you're traveling and you need to have a palette, this palette looks good. I've not used it, so I can't say how it works out, but it looks beautiful. So hopefully it performs also like that. So this is the first product. And the second product is this big Sutra Beauty 32mm culling iron. I didn't select a culling iron when they sent out a survey for what items you want and you would like to receive in your box. I'm very sure I didn't choose this because I have naturally very wavy hair and long hair, and culling them takes a lot of time and I don't have that kind of patience. So Boxy sent me an email saying that they know that they sent me an item which I didn't select. So I'm thinking this is the item and whatever was in the place for this, and they'll be sending me that soon. So this is on culling wand. If anyone needs it, comment in the description part of this video. I'll do a giveaway for that. The next product which I can see is this Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream from Sunday Riley. I remember selecting this because I have oily skin and I prefer using water-based moisturizer or gel-based moisturizer. So I'll open it up and see how it looks because I'll be using this tub of moisturizer. It has a refreshing scent. It's very subtle. It looks like this. It has that minty green color to it. I'll just take a bit of the moisturizer on my hand. It feels really cooling. So this is my kind of moisturizer. I love moisturizer. Those are cooling on the skin because it kinds of calm down my oil glands. I always prefer those kind of moisturizer. It's very moisturizing. You can see the difference between both my hands. This one is well moisturized and this one looks dry. So it's a good moisturizer and I love that we got a Sunday Riley product in the Boxy Luxe box. So we are done with 3 products. Now the next product which I see is the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in the shade Rubino. And if you hear any giggling noise, it's my daughter. She's playing around here. So this is a beautiful lipstick shade that I got from Boxy. And I think this is the first or second time I'm getting a lipstick that I can use from Boxycharm. Or else all the lipsticks, they are all brown and neutral and they can be easily used as my concealer. I remember for a month of Boxy Luxe, they had sent a Becca lipstick and it matched my concealer shade. So I was really angry that month. Not because that they sent me a wrong color, because there goes a product which you can't use and you would like to use that product. So this is a very gorgeous, beautiful shade. Perfect for the makeup look which I have. So this is the Stila lipstick which we got this month. The next product which I see is this Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. So this is a sleeping mask. I'm not going to open it because I'm not sure if I'm going to use it. So there goes the product. And there's 2 more products. No, there's 3 more products. So this product is from IGK and this is hydrating hair balm. And I have no idea of what a hair balm means. This is a leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh your hair down. If you have dry hair, coarse hair or frizzy hair and you want smooth, soft and hydrated hair, apply to damp or dry hair, air dry or blowout. If you want a review of this product, then just mention in the comment section below. I'll do it. When I use it, I'll write down how it worked out, for me at least, because I have frizzy hair. The next product is this Hank and Henry Slick With It liner. It's a blickety black liquid liner, long wear liquid liner. I don't know what I did. I tried drawing with the liner maybe. But this has a very fine tape, as you can see. You can make it very sleek. If you draw it a little thick, then it looks a lot more black than what it looks with a simple thin line. Now for the last product out of this box is this Violet Boss Essential Eyeshadow Palette. This has got some good color selections. This is the eyeshadow palette that came in this month's Boxy Luxe, that is for September 2019 Boxy Luxe. This has some neutral colors, some out of the box emerald green color, a beautiful gold color and a very matte black color. So this looks like a good palette. It has plumberry, pink, dusty rose. These are colors which I tend to use. So this is screaming my name. I don't understand why this color is there. There could have been a very, dark cranberry kind of color in place of this emerald. This is just a single pop of different color. It is like we have to give a different color and they put a green color in this. It looks like that. But if they would have put some cranberry kind of a red color instead of emerald, then this palette would have looked much more beautiful. And so I am very much excited to use this. But I'll swatch the emerald, I'll swatch the plumberry, terracotta and the gold. The swatches are not that pretty, but the colors are pretty. See the matte, it stands out so beautiful. And this is the plumberry, which looks beautiful. This is the emerald and this is the gold. I like the gold shadow a lot and I tend to use more of gold shadows, so this is a great shadow. This emerald is also beautiful. So these are a few of the swatches. I think I'll go ahead and swatch the black color because I always like to see how the black is in a palette. It's a little bit patchy, but it's a good shadow. It's very soft and buttery. All the shadows in this palette are very soft and buttery. So this is the end for what we got in the Boxy Luxe for the month of September. They'll be sending one more product. I have absolutely no idea what product that's going to be. I don't think that's going to be the face palette from, I think they had the Too Faced. Yeah, Too Faced face palette with different blush. I would have loved that, but I don't think I'll be getting that because there's already 2 palettes in this box. I got a face palette and I got one eye palette, so I don't think I'll be getting that. Most probably, I think I'll be getting the brush, which was there in the set. So this month we got 8 products in our bag. A coloring wand, a moisturizer, 2 palettes, that's 1 face palette and 1 eye palette. And then we got a hair balm, a sleeping mask, and a lipstick and a liner. So basically we got 8 products. And most of the products are pretty hefty, heavy and are of good quality. And if anyone really wants this coloring wand, then please leave a comment down in the comment section. And this moisturizer, a beautiful moisturizer, which I am going to use. It feels so cool from the outside itself. Okay, so we are done with this month's Boxy Luxe, and somehow I feel this is going to be my last Boxy Luxe. I'm not sure if I'm going to get Boxy Luxe for the month of December. We have to see. However, they'll give the sneak peeks for the month of December from September or October itself. So if I like the products, then maybe I'll choose for it. If I don't like, then I think I'll be taking a break, because 8-10 products are growing up somehow in my house and I'm not using everything. I don't want to just accumulate makeup. But for this month, September's Boxy Luxe, I can say I'm quite impressed with all the products. Even I'm happy with the curling wand. Even though I don't use, I can gift it to someone. So I am quite happy with everything. I like the lip color. I love it, in fact. And I'm trying not to use it now, but I think I won't have any control and I'll use it up immediately. The face palette looks good. I have to use it. The eyeshadows are perfect for me. And this hair balm, this looks quite promising. So I'll be using it, and it's a good size. So I think it will go for around 10-15 uses for my hair. So that's good. About the sleeping mask, I'm not that much interested or excited by that product, to be frank. I would have opted for another makeup item in place of this. And so that's it. That's all what we got for the month of September in our Boxy Luxe. So the total price, which I'll calculate right now. So the Violet Voss eyeshadow palette is a $29 product. What? The sleeping mask is a $52, it seems. Like, are you for real? That's quite pricey. And I don't like that product. Wow. And the Hank & Henry Blickety Black eyeliner is a $20. The Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick is a $22 product. The Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette is a $45. See, the big makeup item is $45 and the sleeping mask is $52. The Sunday Riley Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream is $65. That's a costly product. The Sutra Clipless Curling Iron with Cool Tape is a $65 product. And the IGK Mistress Hydrating Balm is a $29 product. So the total for all the products that were in this month's Boxy Luxe is a $327 US. That turns out to be around 435 Canadian dollars, and we end up paying 80 Canadian dollars. So it's always, Boxy Luxe is always a win-win. I admit that there will be few products which we may not use and they may not be up to our liking. So basically I am quite pleased with all the items that we received this month. Those 8 products, and one more item they will be sending. I hope that is going to be Too Faced face palette, which I'm sure I'm not kidding, or the Moda brushes. So one of these 2 items I think I'll be receiving later on. So this was for this month of September 2019 Boxy. And if you want to know how I got this look, I'll link this makeup tutorial somewhere here on the video, so you can go and check it out. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.